Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when Call of Duty Mobile isn't visible on Google Play Store for Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. And to do this we'll need to open a Google Play Store first, and here let's try to find Call of Duty. As you can see, there's no results that we can download, and to fix this we'll need to go back. Click on your profile picture, head on to the settings and reveal the family. Enter parental controls and now either disable them entirely or go for apps and games, enter the PIN code. Click on OK and increase PG to at least 16. Make sure to save the settings afterwards and go back. Now right here we can try to find the game again, and it should be on the top available to install. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.